Hello everyone, my name is Patrick, a Chinese student studying in UK. This video, I'm going to talk about the old city in Lisbon. Lisbon is the capital and the largest city of Portugal, with an estimated population of 500,000, being the 10th most popular urban area in the European. Lisbon lies in the western of Atlantic Ocean and the river Tagus. Lisbon is recognized as a global city because of its importance in finance, commerce, media, entertainment, arts, international trade, education, and tourism. This is our first attraction, Chiado. Chiado is an important cultural and commercial district, known for its luxury shopping, historic landmarks, and its numerous theaters and museums. Lisbon is one of the two Portuguese cities to be recognized as a global city. It's one of the major economic centers in the continent, with a growing financial sector and one of the largest container ports in the European Atlantic coast. The Lisbon region has a higher GDP than other regions in Portugal. The city occupies the 40th place of the highest gross earning in the world. Most of the headquarters of multinational corporations in Portugal are located in the Lisbon area. It is also the political center of the whole country. Lisbon is one of the oldest cities in the world and the second oldest European capital city. Now, I'm heading the port of Lisbon, which is one of the busiest ports in Europe. Although today is quite central, it was once a mere suburb of Lisbon. Comprising mostly farms and country estates of the nobility with their palaces. This castle church is a historic castle in the Portuguese capital of Lisbon. Human occupation of this castle hills dates to at least the 8th century BC. The hill on which Castle Church stands has played an important part of the history of Lisbon, having served as location of occupied successfully by Phoenicians, Carthaginians, Romans, and Moors before its conquest by the Portuguese in the 1147 siege of Lisbon. Since the 12th century, the castle has variously served as a royal palace, a military barracks, home of the National Archive, and now as a national monument and museum. The castle walls and towers constructed during the Moorish occupation of Lisbon. The castle complex consists of the castle itself, some auxiliary buildings, including the ruins of the royal palace, and a large terrace square from which is an impressive panorama of Lisbon is visible. It's a bit sad because today's weather is not very well, but I can still watching the whole view of the city in very clearly. If you are less than 25 years old, and you will have a student discount, so it's quite cheap for you to visit this place. There are several places you can choose to watch the whole city, but I believe this view is the best view for you to watch the whole city. So do not hesitate to come this castle the next time you visit Lisbon. After leaving the castle church, and you can arrive the waterfront and enjoy the whole sea view. The Alfama is the oldest neighborhood of Lisbon. Its name comes from Arabic, meaning horse fortune and butts. It contains many important historic attractions, bars and restaurants. A traditional form of public transportation in Lisbon is the tram. Next, I will take the train to Orient, which is the new city area of the Lisbon. And I will separate to another video to show my favorite parts of Lisbon. See you next video. Bye.